Hi my lovely friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to draw a cute little monkey together. Don't worry if you are just starting, I will show you step by step with lots of love, okay? So grab your pencil and paper, not pepper, it's a pepper. So grab your pencil and paper, have some fun while drawing this playful monkey, okay? So guys, and our cute monkey is almost ready, looking super fun and playful. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, my dear friends. Don't forget to like, share and join me for more sweet and stylish drawings. Sending you all love and happiness. Till then, bye bye and see ya.